Streaming on OBS but want flawless looking streams? I'll show you the best 2026 streaming settings for smooth, lag-free streams. Let's get into it. Start in settings, then video. For the base canvas resolution, this should match your monitor, usually 1920 by 1080. For the output scaled resolution, this depends on your PC and internet. 1080p works for most setups, but if you have a strong PC and fast connection, you can bump it to 1440p or even 4K. For downscale filter, use Lanços. It's the best quality without killing performance. And finally, set your FPS to 60 for smooth gaming. 60 FPS is the move in 2026. Next, go to settings, then output, then streaming. Switch to advanced mode for full control. For the encoder, NVIDIA users pick NVENC and AMD users pick AV1. Hardware encoding keeps CPU usage low. For the rate control, select CPR or constant bit rate. This keeps your stream stable. Now for the bitrate. This can be different for any user. If you're streaming on 1080p 30 FPS, I would recommend 45 to 5500 kilobits per second. If you're on 1080p 60 FPS, I would stick with 6000. And finally on 1440p to 4K, 9000 to 12,000 kilobits per second, depending on your upload speed. For the keyframe interval, the standard usage across all streaming platforms is usually 2 seconds. And for the CPU usage preset, set it to slow, then profile to high for crisp quality. Now go to settings, then audio. For the sample rate, I would keep it at 48 kilohertz, and for channels, keep it to stereo. Set your desktop audio to your headphones so you can hear what your viewers are hearing. Then for the mic/auxiliary device, be sure to select the proper mic that you use. Here are a couple quick mic filters for your microphone. First, add a noise suppression. It removes hiss without any heavy CPU use. Then a compressor, which balances quiet and loud parts. And finally a limiter, which prevents clipping. If this video is helping your streams, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe down below, as that really helps my channel. Alright, now let's get back into the video. Fewer sources mean smoother streaming. Avoid heavy GIFs or animated overlays. Use game capture over display capture whenever possible. Preload graphics and images instead of repeating large videos or GIFs. Enable performance mode in OBS to reduce preview load. And finally, under advanced, set your OBS process priority to above normal. Now here are a couple more advanced tips for your OBS Studio streams. For the renderer, set it to Direct3D 11. For the color format, I would recommend NV12 as that is the best performance. For the color space, set it to 709, and finally for the color range, please be sure to set it to full. Now before going fully live, be sure to do a test stream. Speak normally, get loud for a second, and watch for clipping or lag. And that's it, the best OBS Studio settings for streaming in 2026. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe down below, and I hope you see you in the next video. Peace out.